I think that's about it. Have a good weekend, and thank you for all of your faxes, and all of them have been about Kylie, and I'm going to give them to you after the show, OK? Thanks for your time, stay safe, and enjoy this. Turn your telly up. There will be a new album out in January featuring this song, and this song features vocals from Kylie, vocals from Nick Cave, vocals from Shane MacGowan, vocals from Mick Harvey, and vocals from Blix Bargeld. What a lineup. Stay safe this weekend and enjoy this, and remember, death is not the end. Stay safe. Bye-bye.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Ooh. When you're sad and when you're lonely and you haven't got a friend, just remember that death is not the end.
And all your dreams have vanished, and you don't know what's up the bend. Just remember that death is not the end.
Not the end.
Not the end.
Just remember that death is not the end.
When you're standing at the crossroads, you cannot comprehend. Just remember that death is not the end.
There's no one there to comfort you with the hope and hand to hand. Just remember that death is not the end.
It's not the end. It's not the end. Just remember that death is not the end. For the tree of life is growing where the spirit never dies.
And the bright light of salvation up in dark and empty skies. And the cities are on fire with the burning flesh of men. Just remember that death is not the end.
And you search in vain to find some law-abiding citizen. Just remember that death is not the end. Not the end. It's not the end. Just remember that death is not the end. Not the end. Not the end. Just remember that death is not the end. Thank you.